Good morning, students. Today our topic is collinear and non-collinear points. Already we know what is a point, but we don't know what is collinear and non-collinear. Now, see the definition of collinear points and non-collinear points along with their examples. Collinear points are the points that lie on the same line. If two or more than 2 points lie on the same line, they may be close to each other or far from each other. If the points are lie on the same line, then the type of points are known as collinear points. Here, look at line L. We have 3 points on line L. They are point P, point Q and point R. These all 3 points are lie on the same line L. So, this point P, point Q and point R are known as collinear points. See this example. Here also we have 3 points A, B and C, and all these 3 points are located on the same straight line. So we can say point A, point B and point C are the collinear points. Now let us see what are the non-collinear points. It is exact opposite to the collinear points. The points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. See here example. Here we have one line. On that line, 3 points, point P, point Q, point R. Now only we discussed if these 3 points are on the same line, we can say these are the collinear points. So here point P, point Q, point R, these 3 are the collinear points because they lie on the same straight line. But if you observe point A, point C and point B, these are not located on the same line. These are in different positions. So, these are the example for non-collinear points. Here also if you see the 3 points P, Q, R are lies on the same line. So, they are the collinear points. And more 3 points X, Y, Z, they are not on the same line. So, these are the example for non-collinear points. X, Y, Z are the non-collinear points. Now, let us learn types of lines. Already we know about a line. Now, we will see what are the types of lines. Basically, we have 3 types of lines: parallel lines, intersecting lines and perpendicular lines. First of all, look at parallel lines. When 2 or more lines never intersect or never cross each other, we call them as parallel lines. For example, see here, first line AB and the second line CD. These 2 lines are not intersecting at any place. If we extend both the lines, also they cannot intersect each other. So, these are example for parallel lines. Now, in this example also we have 2 lines, namely A and B. If we extend these 2 lines in both the directions, also these 2 are not intersecting. Okay, so these 2 lines are example for parallel lines. This is the first type of line. Parallel lines means when 2 or more lines are not intersecting to each other, then we can say them as parallel lines. Now the second type of lines are intersecting lines. When two or more lines intersect each other at one point, we can call them as intersecting lines. So two lines intersect at one point. Okay, that point is called intersection of a point. See this example here. Line AB and line CD both are intersected at point I. So these two lines are known as intersecting lines and point I is known as intersection point. And if the lines which are passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. Here we can say line AB and line CD as concurrent lines also. If two or more lines are passing through the same point, then we can say concurrent lines. Now the third type of lines are perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect each other at right angle, we can call them as perpendicular lines. If you observe, intersecting lines and perpendicular lines are both same, but in case of perpendicular lines, we have special condition. What is that condition? Here they can meet by making right angle, that is 90 degrees. For example, see here line L and line M. These two lines are intersecting at one point. We can say these are the example of intersecting lines. But how they are intersecting? By making 90 degrees angle between them. So we can call them as perpendicular lines. And see this example also. Line AB and line XY are intersected at one point, but they are making 90 degrees between the two lines. So these also example for perpendicular lines. You have to remember, all perpendicular lines are intersecting lines, but all intersecting lines are not perpendicular lines. The lines which are making 90 degrees angle between them, then that type of intersecting lines only called as perpendicular lines. Okay, these are the types of lines.